Alright, in this workout, I'm using A minor pentatonic third shape, which is like, I think you all know about it. So what I'm doing, I'm just making three strings combination. For example, I'm playing 6, the note of 6, that is 5/8, then 5/7 on the fifth, 5/7 on the fourth. So the combination of three strings, like, and then I'm making the combination of 5, 4 and third string, which is 5/7, 5/7, 5/7. Then I'll be making the combination 4, 3, 2, 5/7, 5/7, 5/8. And then 5/7, 5/8, 5/8 of the third, second, first string. So what I've done, and then I'm just coming back in the same way, but doing the descend one like 4/1. So opposite fingers this time. So again, first, second, third string, second, third, fourth, fifth, and 4, 5, 6. So the whole thing sounds like. In the fast, it sounds like. That's how it sounds like. Practice, learn better, and play better.